These tiny details really show why Hiccup connects so well with the dragons. In the first movie, after bonding with Toothless, Hiccup heads back to the village to have dinner. If you look closely, everyone is having chicken on a stick, but Hiccup is having a fish, which is also what a dragon likes to eat. Hiccup also loves to draw. When he got bored, he sketched Toothless on the ground, catching his attention. Fast forward to the third movie, after running out of ideas, Toothless draws in the sand, and the Light Fury notices him. This just shows how much Hiccup relates to dragons more than to his own people.